All right, here's something a little different today. Not really working on anything. I've been working on this for a few months, 5 or 6, maybe 7 months, whatever. Got it late last year. It is a Dynamow. Dynamow stickers kind of faded off when I went to clean it up some. But Briggs & Stratton, I forget what the horsepower rating on this was. I believe 3, maybe 5, but I believe it was a smaller one. But yeah, been working on it. Replaced the muffler. Muffler was all corroded up, whatever. This was all nasty around here where the exhaust was blowing. The wheels definitely need some work. These are old school steel wheels, not the plastic like everything's got today. I do want to find some new steel wheels that aren't going to be, you know, 15 bucks per wheel. I could replace them with some plastic ones. I found some plastic ones for about 7 or 8 bucks a wheel, but I'd like to go with the original steel wheels just because I like that classic stuff. Throttle up here, old bicycle handle style grips on here. I'm probably going to go with some newer, softer ones. I'd like to go with close to original, or at least the original look, I guess, if you will, but that's okay. Anyway, I've gone through this thing, checked the points on it, of course, new spark plug, coil works, checked the gap, gone through the carburetor a couple times on it. New air filter, of course, because the original one, as with all these old foam air filters, as soon as I took it apart, just started crumbling in my hand. Like I said, I already mentioned the wheels definitely wore out, just age, and you know, steel rubbing on steel gets a little loose. But oh, and I need to find a discharge chute deflector, you know, to direct everything towards the ground a little bit better. But yeah, I figured I guess just got this thing running pretty good this last week. It fired up, we'll see, 3 times in a row, a couple days worth. You know, let it fire it up, first pull, let it idle for a second or two, and then shut it down. I did that about 3 times or so in a couple days worth. So we'll see if it fires up first pull this time again. And I figured go ahead and mow my front yard. Let me get you set up here in a halfway decent position, and we'll go. Slows down pretty good. I don't know how well you can see that. Pretty good line cutting. Cuts pretty smooth. Of course, put a new blade on. It's not the proper blade, but they do not make a blade for this one anymore for the proper size hole. Anyway, I don't know what that was. I guess my idle just coming down. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll come back when we're done. Oh, so nice. I don't know about y'all, but I love a freshly mowed yard. Especially when it cuts good, mower runs good. It just doesn't get much better than that to me. So anyway, yeah, I didn't mention it before. I forgot to mention. This is a 1974. 1974 engine and Dynamow mower. So 20 inch, I believe. Yeah, 20 inch it was. Of course, they got 22 inch. Heck, they got a lot bigger than that now nowadays for push mowers. But heck, for just a city lot, it does me about 20 minutes to do the front yard and about 20 minutes to do the backyard. Backyard's about the same size, a little bit longer because you don't have the driveway in the backyard, but it's not as deep. But whatever, that doesn't matter. Point being, 1974, starts first pull. Briggs & Stratton, gone through the whole thing. I do need to paint it up. I think I will, just because I like this old stuff. I need to cut my zip ties too. I don't know if anybody saw that. That bugs the hell out of me. But I put the zip ties on there just to hold the throttle cable. And I forgot to cut my ends off the zip ties. And I want to find a knob that fits on the throttle there properly instead of just the nub sticking up. Make it look right. So anyway, a couple more things to fix since we're here. Right on the front, I don't know if I can get in there or not. Got my tripod legs all extended out. But anyway, around the front there's a crack. Crack right there. Doesn't hurt anything. Doesn't even come close to the blade. But that will get fixed because they don't make them like this anymore. So anyway, appreciate you guys checking in. Like I said, this is a little bit different when I mowed the front yard with my new to me Dynamow. Starts first pull, shuts down nice and smooth. A little bit of hiccup there, I guess, when it was idling, but I really don't think that's an issue at all. Maybe a little bit of adjustment on my throttle, on the throttle linkage there. That or some fresher. I do have fresh fuel in, but maybe some more fuel. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna go mow the backyard now with this, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.